KOHO card, international travel buddy or bench warmer? Ever fumbled for cash at a bustling market overseas? Or gotten hit with surprise fees on your credit card statement after a getaway? Yeah, us too. Navigating international payments can be a real headache. But what if there was a way to spend abroad seamlessly, avoid hidden charges, and maybe even score some rewards? Well, that's where KOHO cards come in. So, the big question, can you use your KOHO card internationally? Let's unpack the whole situation. KOHO on the go, your MasterCard muscles. First things first, KOHO cards are prepaid MasterCards. That means they're accepted globally, just like any other MasterCard, in over 200 countries and tens of millions of merchants. Imagine strolling down the Champs-Élysées in Paris and tapping your KOHO card to pay for a pain au chocolate, effortless. This global reach is a massive perk, especially compared to regional cards or those limited to specific ATM networks. No more scrambling to find a compatible machine when your travel bug bites. Steering clear of surprise fees, the KOHO advantage. Now, let's talk about fees. International transactions can come with some nasty hidden charges, like foreign transaction fees and hefty ATM withdrawal costs. These fees can sneakily eat into your travel budget, leaving you with less for souvenirs and gelato. Here's the good news. KOHO offers several tiers of prepaid cards, and some, the KOHO Extra and KOHO Everything, boast zero foreign transaction fees. That's right, you can shop and dine abroad without getting slapped with extra charges just for using your card in a different country. These cards also come with one free international ATM withdrawal per month, so you can access local cash without breaking the bank. It's a win-win for budget-conscious travelers. KOHO perks, more than meets the eye. KOHO goes beyond just basic international functionality. Their cards are equipped with MasterCard's zero liability policy, which offers fraud protection for unauthorized charges. This gives you peace of mind knowing your travel funds are safe, even if your card gets lost or stolen. Plus, KOHO cards are reloadable, so you can easily top them up before your trip or on the go. This allows for better budgeting and control over your spending while you explore. No more worrying about overspending or maxing out your credit limit. KOHO's quirks, a few things to consider. While KOHO cards are great for international travel, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some countries might have restrictions on prepaid cards, so it's always a good idea to check with KOHO or your destination country's regulations beforehand. Also, KOHO charges a currency conversion markup on international transactions. This markup is usually minimal compared to other banks, but it's worth being aware of. KOHO, your international payment partner? So, is a KOHO card your ideal international travel companion? If you're a frequent traveler who values convenience, fee-free transactions, and budgeting control, then KOHO is definitely worth considering. With global acceptance, zero foreign transaction fees on certain tiers, and added security features, KOHO cards can be a game changer for your international adventures. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.